In this specific video, you're going to learn how to upload and format images using the WordPress Media Manager. So what you need to do now is simply log into your WordPress dashboard and click on Media, and you're going to see the media library. Now this is going to list all the files, the images that you upload specifically to the media library. Click on Add New. And you can do it several ways. You can either drag and drop the files here or select the files and find the files and upload them here. Now, in this case, I'm going to be using an image that looks like this. So I'm going to do this, drag and drop here. Now, some of you will get this error that says this image has failed to upload to this site. If you get this error, and good thing that I have this error, you need to go and use FileZilla in FTP program and log into your site and locate the WP-content folder. Make a new folder, so right click, create directory, create a folder called Uploads. We're going to change the file permissions to 777. Click on OK. Now, we're going to do the same thing, drag and drop it over here, and it should work. Okay, good. So it works here. And you can do some basic stuff if you click on Edit Image. Let's say, for example, that I want to crop. So I'm going to select around this image, click on crop, and there we go. I can rotate it again. I can flip it vertically, flip it horizontally. You can increase the size, decrease the size, and so forth. Now, to keep everything organized, what I would recommend you do, you could say WordPress 256 icon and caption, alternative text, and this, just so you know what the image is later on down the road. Click on Update, and there we go.